on the promotion of coffee growing in the constituency.
Master plan. Agenda kwakira abantu hari mnonga abakino subcounty menyereo ageze mu ngabo abachikati menyereo ageze mu ngabo serika abachikati menyereo ageze mu ngabo wishandi menyereo ageze mu ngabo Kanyeriero menyereo ageze mu ngabo yakashashara menyereo ageze mu ngabo Sanga bahost ni mumwete rungara abana tatureta ukureba umushinja washadirite binari bishatu ebyakozire n'emikono ye hamwe n'igihiri ono manyeteze ekyakabiri kinabaretera ekitura kitanya bushozi no kubura amezi nabareta ngo tweje numuza kureba umushinja ameza hakubi cyonke icyo nangwa n'umwana utakize amezi akagarondata nagarondata numureba hari tucyatureta cyakashatu abembekere kanye nabiri utari kabiri sinwaji nahako gihiro umwana ona namukerebe tucyatureta ubwe njya gusibo twebe mbere tubanze umudamu zawe ruguru amezi tugarebe turakora umwani twija ngenda tubanza amezi abuko batari kweruza kwinga umwana wabo tine sibo twebe
Kata gukora si nindaga gabeni bampera gato ntutero bakatapiye konkarwa cyane rugo ate byo kuri mwareba urabo ko hansi kurarusiza hansi hari hagati na ngoka karusi kamatafari nakatera siminti kwansi umwiziba urupira rwiza rwagira wayemera ahigo nareta katimba kasugaya nakata nareta katensiri nakona nakata Leva cash. Leva aqui. Leva cash. Gando na outra linkani. Manindira. Ai no bure teka nasa. Hano ngatangezaho gukora mu buryo bwo kubana n'umugabo nakako abako wagureka gwasa kamba yes akamera muri bitaje kumureka
Today we invited 5 people from each of the 12 sub-counties and town councils of Nyabushozi to come and visit Mr. Kavirisa here in Sanga Rwabarata. The interesting thing about this visit is that we have somebody who is working with his hands, who has demystified the concept of lack of water in Nyabushozi. He's using the concept of gravity flow. He dug a huge well in the foot of the mountain and is using gravity flow with the pipes, and out of that he's able to do irrigation throughout the year. He has 16 acres of coffee, major Robusta, and it's doing extremely well. He has built a double-storied house from the latest harvest that we had. So the coffee price boom is doing so well for him. This visit is going to certainly inspire all other coffee growers in the constituency. It already has done that. He's doing it himself, so we picked all the coffee farmers, but also to show the world that Nyabushozi, apart from being the highest producer of milk and matoke, we are also destined to be the highest producers of coffee. And that is money, and that is transforming our county, transforming our economy, and it is part of the heritage. But also to say, there's no reason why Nyabushozi should not be the highest producers of coffee. You know why? We have land, we have organic manure, because we keep cattle, because we keep goats. All we needed to have was to have people of this stature to inspire us. And I'm happy that as a leader, together with my colleagues, I am championing this move to grow coffee in Nyabushozi. We certainly shall make it. In the near future, Nyabushozi shall be the highest producer of coffee in Uganda.
Nomatwani tutandika otaliyiruka kutandika na kihango kyotakumanya. Tandika na kacha kuza kubasa kuleba. Okakomunitalinga. Muzee ine ekazi 10 na zinge zinareba konkana azibasa azigotoka zibasa. Katujya ngo twabare bigimusa byitu, twabare bigimusa mu 1 acre, twabare bigimusa byo mitwari 10. Now input yitu yaba millionemu. Katujya ngo wa employing omukozi wo kutwamushashire mitwari 15 tumuherezo mwaka. Because umwaka nibwo turatanije kureba cyane cyo mwana nibwo watanije kufara walinga tubeherezo mwaka utumize mitwari 15 umukozi wo kutura umwani mpaka kwikira pa month mitwari 15 pa month tumeherezo mwaka mitwari 15 emyezi 10 that is 1.5 emyezi 2 yes emwe 8 ko twazigita milioni emwe na zingahi zaba now milioni 2.9 yaba input yitu in 1 acre to maintaining 1 acre au tukamutwa mara kuteka mumiri katu bari twateka milioni zitisha tunecheka amwani gwito kwika kufara walinga katani ko harvesting amuto ya mukiri biroba nisha to 5 one coffee plant jihereze 5 kilograms John first harvest asa tubaze mebiti bitu 450 ate 2,250 times 2 because tu ina season 2 yes katu jire mwe kali 2,200 na zingahi na 5 hati omwani muzei naza kunjura omwano gomire muzei kuri yali sinyi zingahi yes kinya nazigamba kandi hate mutwaro mwene 13 nobwe bamusera because bro nugusoma mutwaro mwene kakaka abenje baryo umwani ogomushija mukuru is aware kandi yongo umwani gwitwa guzo mutwaro ati ne 13 katuziye muzezi yagamba tuguzo mutwaro gumwe nyena ngo tushare tuza hansi kwena ngo nkwereka ngo tuza kubibasi tujiguzo mutwaro gumwe kilogram twine kilogram zite 12 na 400 na zingahi tuguze buri kilo umutwaro gumwe twafuna kizinga now ebe bitwani tubibara ofunaka cyumuhandi ko biteke separate twata umutwaro umutwaro naje katuziguze zomire no gwaziguza kanana how much money is that
Mureke twetegereze iki hika emwe nebishayi bingana twetegereze hika emwe nebishayi bina tuko watamwe ebitu by'omwani 450 washangwa burukamwe ukaguzire 15 aura wanyuma y'omwaka byayera twagira ngo nobasa kwihamu ekitino basa kukihamu 10 basa kwihamu 10 kurigero ko kubogure biri wonke kike munonge cyahanze nikiro zingahi otarebereye so twakwata kandi kilo negura omutwaro ne 13 wagira ngo ogwo no kubasa kwishikira mbarra nari ntungamo nari ibanda iwuri wachakategeri bakushanga aha bakusera abo kwa bundu bonana batusera bakwazingahi Kanana umutwaro tuwazayo bakwazingahi atkwata Kanana miliyoni zingahi otire mu miliyoni zingahi omwaka gumwe